Hi everyone! I would like to welcome you to SCS 100 for the 21 EW1 term. So our term begins on Monday, August 30th and ends on Sunday, October 24th. This image here is of Long's Peak and it was taken from my backyard when I lived out in Colorado. As for me and who I am, I'm Professor Enco. You can call me Professor E or Becky, and I'll be your instructor for SCS 100 this term. My master's is in mental health counseling. I'm a nutmegger, meaning I'm originally from Connecticut, and I currently live out in rural Indiana. My instructor announcement in the course has more information about me, as does the sample post in the Week 1 discussion board. So there are a few things that you can do before the term begins. You can take a look at all the announcements and make sure that you've read all that information. You can also go through the Start Here section of your course and take a look at all that important information. And doing all of these things will help you to be more successful in the course. So one thing that you can't do before the term begins is submit any assignments. Now, you can, however, type things up in Word and have them ready to go come August 30th when the class begins. You can write your initial post to the discussion board, get it all typed up in Word, and have it ready to copy and paste right into the discussion board. You can have your assignments done and saved and ready to be uploaded. You can work on anything you'd like for this course before the term begins, but please don't submit anything before Monday, August 30th. You can work as far ahead as you would like using these methods. So the picture on this slide was actually taken back in 2019 when my family and I were at Niagara Falls on the way to go visit family in the area. So my best advice for this course is to read the announcements every time you log in. I make sure to provide videos for all announcements. I always give you sample discussion posts. And at the start of the week, I also will give you a link to a playlist for all the videos for the week, so you can take a look at that. So you'll have some sample assignments, you'll have videos, you will have a lot of information that will help you with your course assignments. So remember, if you have any questions or need any support, you can always email me or post your question in the general questions discussion board. I've got my email here. It's r.enco@snhu.edu. You can also go into that general questions discussion board and post your question there. I also post a weekly FAQ in that general questions discussion board, so you can always take a look at that for some support as well. So we do have a week between terms this time around. So use that to get yourself ready for the next term. Use it to recharge and to relax and to get yourself ready for our new term. This image here is actually of my barn out here on our farm in rural Indiana. So I will see all of you in class on Monday, August 30th. Remember, it's asynchronous. You're not required to log in on Monday, but, I will see you in class then. I am looking forward to getting to know all of you, and I'm looking forward to having a great term with you. I'm leaving you with the image of the flowers blooming on the stone wall at my dad's house out in rural Connecticut. Thanks for watching.